Okay, well, I'm doing this YouTube video to kind of document my analysis as part of my process. So I'll go through my analysis and then I'll rewatch this in the morning to refresh where I'm at and see how things have changed with futures. And this is using the STRAT. If you don't know about that, you would have to research that yourself. So we'll start with the NQ. The quarter is close to 2 up in green. Month is 2 up in green. Everything is bullish like everything else. We were in this broadening formation for the past 3 or 4 weeks. Broke out on election news. Could probably tighten this up a little on the daily. So there's not really a signal to take. With the strat, you enter on reversals, not continuations, add on continuation. Only thing here would be this 2 up, 2 down reversal possibility, but then you're going against all the continuity. We just have to see how that plays out. That would be the target. So that would be your daily trigger. If I wouldn't enter on that, I would wait for a intraday reversal underneath that. That would be the target if they decide to sell. Not much going on there. The ES. Yep. Bullish, bullish, bullish. That's a Momo hammer, 2 up Momo hammer on the quarter. 2 up, 2 up continuation on the month. 2 down, 2 up on the week. Hit magnitude. And the actionable signals go, it usually goes further. Green gets greener. Same deal here. Anything up above would be a continuation signal, so you would look for lower time frame reversals to enter on if it continues to go up. If there's a down, it would be below there, with the target of here. But not something I'd be really ecstatic about. Ruddy, Russell, inside day, so it wasn't as strong as the other, so it's weaker. So we do have a buy signal above that, and a sell signal below that. Not much of a target, but green can get greener. And this is way, whoops. So that target would be there, so it's not much to the downside. And it's a long ways from there, so that's kind of not a good. It's long. I wouldn't think it would make it down there unless there's horrible news, but that's against time frame continuity. So the YM was another one, 2 up, 2 down. Possible. This here we got the broadening formation forming here. On the weekly. Tighten that up on the daily. So if it does decide to sell, you know, we're down, up, could come all the way back through. Just something to keep an eye on. The initial target is pretty close. Things went completely nuts. Whoops. Gold is a little better. Gold's been on a run. It is actually a month down right now, red month, inside month, so you kind of expect some chop. We are inside this broadening formation. Let's tighten this up on the daily. It is tight there. So inside day, so 2-1. We could continue off this one. It's closer to taking that out right now, but we could continue off this one on its upward trend, but this time frame continuity, if things go down, we could get a little more profit taking sell off here, maybe take some of these guys as stops. Keep an eye on gold for tomorrow. Is a better setup. Better setup, day, yeah. So it could be this triangle, broad information, you know, down, up, down, back through, or we may be on a smaller time frame inside here and bouncing back and forth. We did reclaim this level here, so it's currently going back through, but we'll have to see what happens off of this inside bar. Oil has just been going sideways. It did not go. Figured it would dump more with the election news since Trump is anti-war and, you know, peace in the Middle East should bring lower oil prices. But it's still just kind of inside month, so inside this big month. Not too down would be a continuation move, although we do have this weekly 2 down. If it got down below here, I would be interested in some shorts on this 2 shooter, 2 down, 2 up, shooter down, possibly. But we'll have to see. So I want to put this. Make this. Sell trigger week. And this would be a buy trigger on the day. And we would have a daily target on the day. And we have a target on the week. So I'll be keeping my eye on oil. If it gets below the 69.74 for shorts, down to 66.72. Come back through all of this. Might be a good trade. Okay, Bitcoin blasted off already today. I don't know what news there was to cause that. Off of this inside day. So it's currently in force. Looks like it's pulling back right now. Could look for entry on the intraday time frame to come back through there. This all-time highs. Yeah, just like everything, looks like we're at all-time highs. And currently with Bitcoin, it's this 2 down, 1, 2, 2 up. In force on the quarter, 2 continuation on the month. And then we're on this 2 1 2 continuation on the day. I may look for some stuff intraday, but not right now. So looks like the best for tomorrow is gold, and then keeping an eye on oil the rest of the week to see if it gets below that that weekly 2 down, 2 up shooter candle.